What's up, guys? Hey, this is James Hurst, and in today's video I'm just going to quickly teach you how to record your screen with your webcam on, with your webcam off, just the screen or both. Okay, what I use is a tool called Screencast-O-Matic. I have used this since late 2016 up until now, which is 2020, and this is one of my favorite tools. This is my go-to quick and dirty, I just want to get stuff done tool. Okay, now the rare exception, I'm using Camtasia to actually record me recording Screencast-O-Matic, if you care. So here's what it is, Screencast-O-Matic. Like I said, I've been using this since December of 2016 when I first was starting to make tutorials and things online. Okay, so you can see 2017, April, all the way up through, right? Practicing with some green screen, different things, right? I've been using this tool for for 4 calendar years, late 2016 to early 2020. Okay, 2018, 2019. I've made up to 387 videos. Sometimes they're short, sometimes I'm just shooting up a quick message to somebody else. Sometimes these are for YouTube. This is absolutely one of my favorite tools, and it's just dirt cheap as well. You can get started for free. There might be a limit on how long you can do it or a little watermark, but basically when you want to record your screen, you just come up here, you click record, right? And then you say, hey, do I want this to be my screen only? Do I want it to be my webcam only? You can switch different webcams. Okay, so here's my webcam. I could use this other one. I could use the Facebook or the FaceTime webcam, different webcams. You just, switch. See, that one's not ready right now. I've got it blocked. Okay, so you can just switch which webcam you want to use. It's really easy. If you wanted to do both, you want to do a picture in picture, then you just click both right here. Okay, so there's that. Let's go ahead and just put that back to there. And it kind of gives you this preview. And then you just hit record. It's just that simple. I should back up. You might want to also, just change your. You might want to change your settings here. So you may want to change your. You can change the size, right? So if I want to just go grab this section of the screen, okay. But 9 times out of 10, I'm just going to go in here and do 1080p, or I'm going to do basically a full screen and capture that whole entire thing. Also with the mic, you just got to hook up, like a USB microphone. You could use an internal microphone. Okay, I use a Rode Podcaster. If I ever make a video on how much I love that, I will link that up later. But yeah, so it's just, you just pick screen, webcam, or both. Select your screen size and hit record. And 3, 2, 1, and boom, hey, now we're live. Hey guys, I'm teaching you guys about this thing, blah, 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 blah. And then what the beautiful thing about it is that once it's done, it puts it right into an editor. Like let's say I put my email address or my credit card information while I'm doing a training. Well, what I do when I hit done here, pause, and then I hit done, I can quickly start over, which you'll do that a lot. Or you can hit done, and that brings you into this awesome, very intuitive, simple editor, right? Where I can just come in here now and hit play. Hey guys, I'm teaching you guys about this thing, blah, 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 blah. And then the space bar is to stop. If I want to cut out a section, I just hit cut. I just drag it from there to there. I can preview it. And then is that once it's done. And if I like it, I hit OK. I go to a new spot. Let's say I want to make some more tools. I use this all the time. I use the blur. So I'm just going to create a blur here. Just drag it right there. Cover the thing I want to cover. Hit OK. And then I see if the blur editor. Let's say I put my email address or see if the blur is at the right spot that I like. If not, I make it a little bit longer or make it a little bit shorter. Hit OK. Okay. So hopefully you can see. So let's just quickly go over what tools it has. So you can cut things. You can copy things. You can insert more video from an existing video, right? You can narrate. So you can overwrite something with voiceover. Overlays I use a lot. Different blurs, an image, shapes, arrows. If I want to draw the attention, to something here on the screen, I'll just quickly make an arrow for a certain amount of seconds. Okay. So then I have arrows, highlight, text, paste, video, replace, freeze frame. That's a really cool one too. I can freeze a certain part of the frame. Speed, I can increase the speed, transitions, and then the last one, volume, if I want to up or down the volume. Okay. So then when I'm done, I click done. It actually has really cool, it actually does auto transcribes your captions for you. It reaches out to Google and it'll do its best job at captioning. which is just amazing, really. Look how fast this is, right? So you can at least start with this for a captioning service. Quickly, it may not know every single word of the industry you're in, and so you just quickly fix that up. And it gives Google, text and stuff to crawl, which is going to help you, with your blog or your YouTube video description, things like that. And then when you're all done, it's really awesome because I can save the raw MP4, right? I can save the raw MP4 to my computer, or I can quickly just upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. So I've just got a place. Usually this is what I do. If I want to just send this off to one person or a support team, I'll just upload it to Screencast-O-Matic and then give them a little URL. So it's not all over on YouTube. I don't have to worry about, if it's public or private. I just kind of keep it this up there. Or one click upload to YouTube is really nice as well. Now, here's the thing. So it is free to start with, but it's totally worth it to upgrade, whether you're on the deluxe or the Premier plan. The biggest thing with the Premier is the backup, right? So what happened was I had a computer with let's say 80 gigs of hard drive space. Well, it doesn't take long to fill that up, and so what I love about this is that all of this stuff, I have this automatic backup on. See, right now, the video I just did, it's backing up to my secure online storage. See how it's doing that right there? And so that way, and also it doesn't even keep the footage. It doesn't have to keep the footage on your computer. So like an old video, this is in, let's see here, this one here, CF affiliate issue. This is in backup, and it's not even on my computer, but if I want to bring it down and edit it, I can just click on it, and it starts a little download to bring it down, and so then I can open it up and edit it again, okay? And so that works for if I want to be on two different computers, or if I want to, have a backup online. So if I go, and I jump over to my PC, then I can create a video on my Mac, and then I can go and download it again from my PC. And so it's just great because I don't have to fill up my hard drive, and I have a backup. And so they've just got this done well. Okay, it works for Mac, it works for PC. They even have a little iPhone app. I don't know about Android, but you guys, this is one of my favorite tools. This is just they've done a really good job with this. I mean, hopefully you can tell by this review. Like I said, I've been with them. I've been on there since 2016, late 2016. And it's just the tool that I recommend for quick and dirty. Let's get some work done, and let's get it out the door and published. And I hope you enjoyed this review. If you are interested in trying this out as a free trial or trying the deluxe or Premier version, I will put a link in the description below, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks.